Hi students, I'm Ed. Welcome to Hamochi.my. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Hamochi and join the event Discover Dino. Let's start. First, join the event. Tap the Champion Cup icon. Tap the Start Now button. You have entered the event page. Well done! You complete this session. Claim the ticket. Every day, you will receive a meal. Tap the Open button to open it. Wow, you received 20 event tickets. Tap the OK button. Remember to log in every day to receive your tickets. Well done! You complete this section. Start a level. There are 15 levels in one event. Choose the first level and tap the Go button. Tap the Start button. You successfully enter the game. Well done! You complete this section. Play the game. You can watch or skip the game intro. When you see a big yellow light bulb, tap it. Choose the correct answer. Tap the OK button. Your light is charged. Let's go. Tap any of the surrounding blocks to explore. Find and collect the bones. Your battery is running low. Quick, run to the recharge stand. Oh no! Beware of bombs and dynamite. Tap the light bulb button to recharge at the tent. Continue to collect at least 12 bones. You can break the stones that block your way. Find the bone converter machine in round 10. Tap the green button. You made it. The machine is converting the bones into puzzle pieces. Drag and drop the pieces into the board. What is this dinosaur? Maybe I can just swap these two pieces. Nice work! It's a T-Rex. Tap the OK button. Well done! You complete this level. Tap the coin pouch. Yeah, you receive gold coins and event coins. Tap the OK button. Tap the Done button. You have collected T-Rex. Continue with other levels and collect all dinosaurs. Well done, kids. You complete this section. Win Finisher Badge. Each level has 3 stars. Collect all stars. When you collect 45 stars, you can open the gift box. Tap the shining gift box. Congratulations! The gift is on the way to your school. Tap the OK button. Well done! You completed this section. Event Specials. You can find event limited items in the shops under Event Specials. Use the event coins to buy yourself a nice outfit. Great job! You successfully completed this tutorial. Quickly go to Hamochi.my and start your journey. See you there. If you like our channel, remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya. Bye bye.